hyenas. These nocturnal scavengers steal around 20% of lion kills. The pride male has heard the commotion. A single adult male is powerful enough to drive off an entire mob. Now, he wants his share of the kill. And not even the lioness can stand in his way. Bullied off her own kill, the lioness must now find her 3 cubs. It's not uncommon for cubs to go astray for a few hours at night, but they usually respond to their mother's contact calls if they're close by. 3 days later, her search continues, and she's right to persevere. But they're not alone. Moving closer, she picks up the scent. Safe. At last. Her family is reunited.